What if I told you that you could make money with just a few taps on your phone? That's right, with the power of earning apps, you can earn some extra cash and reach your financial goals. But with so many apps out there, it can be overwhelming to know which ones are worth your time. That's why I've done the research for you, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best earning apps that pay you to do what you already do every day. From taking surveys to scanning your receipts, and even earning cash back on your purchases, these apps have got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. But before we go ahead, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. App number 9, Swagbucks. First up is Swagbucks, the app that lets you earn rewards points for doing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. It's like getting paid to procrastinate. The best part is you can redeem these points for cash or gift cards. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good gift card? Swagbucks is free to use, so download it now and start racking up those points. App number 8, Ibotta. Next, we have Ibotta, the cashback app that helps you save money on your grocery purchases. It's the perfect app for those of us who want to be frugal without having to give up our beloved snacks. All you have to do is upload a photo of your receipt, and Ibotta will give you cashback for qualifying purchases. It's like getting paid for eating. Sign me up. App number 7, Survey Junkie. If you're someone who loves giving their opinion, then Survey Junkie is the app for you. You can earn money by answering surveys on various topics like products, services, and more. It's like being a professional critic, except you get paid for it. You can redeem your points for cash or gift cards, so start sharing your thoughts and get paid for it with Survey Junkie. App number 6, Rakuten. Who doesn't love shopping online? It's convenient and you can do it in your pajamas. With Rakuten, you can earn cash back for your online purchases. It's like getting paid to shop. When you shop through the app, you can earn a percentage of your purchase back in cash. Plus, Rakuten offers exclusive deals and coupons to help you save even more. So next time you're online shopping, don't forget to use Rakuten and earn some extra cash. App number 5, Acorns. If you're someone who wants to start investing but doesn't know where to start, Acorns is the app for you. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. You can connect your debit or credit card to the app, and it will round up your purchases to the nearest dollar. The difference is then invested in a portfolio of ETFs. Plus, Acorns offers different investment portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance. You can start investing with just $1 a month, so start building your wealth with Acorns. App number 4, Trim. We all want to save money, but sometimes it's hard to know where to start. That's where Trim comes in. It's like having a personal finance assistant that helps you save money. Trim analyzes your spending habits and helps you find areas where you can cut costs, like canceling subscriptions you no longer use or negotiating your bills for a lower rate. It's like having a magic money genie in your pocket. App number 3, Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is the app that rewards you for grocery shopping. All you have to do is scan your receipts and you'll earn points that you can redeem for gift cards or cash. It's like getting paid to buy groceries. Who knew that was even possible? So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to scan your receipt and earn some extra cash with Fetch Rewards. App number 2, Dosh. If you're someone who likes to eat out or travel, then Dosh is the app for you. Dosh offers cash back on your purchases at participating restaurants and hotels. All you have to do is link your credit or debit card to the app, and you'll automatically earn cash back when you make a qualifying purchase. Plus, Dosh offers exclusive deals and discounts, so you can save even more money while enjoying your favorite restaurants and hotels. App number 1, Drop. Do you shop at your favorite stores frequently? If so, Drop is the app for you. Drop offers cash back on your purchases from participating retailers. All you have to do is link your debit or credit card to the app, and you'll automatically earn points for your purchases. You can redeem your points for gift cards or cash. Plus, Drop offers exclusive deals and discounts, so you can save money while shopping at your favorite stores. And that's it, folks, some of the best earning apps out there. From saving money to investing, these apps are here to help you achieve your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Download these apps today and start earning some extra cash. Remember, every little bit counts. If you enjoyed today's video, then feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.